For today's math enrichment activity, you're going to do an online experiment and determine what is the luckiest number on a dice. All right, so what we're going to do is incorporate the concept of probability, based off of the numbers on the dice, 6 total numbers. You have the probability of 1 out of 6 for every number, right? Because there's only one of each number on the dice. And so for purposes of today, we're going to be using the number 36. You're going to roll the dice 36 times. So based off of equivalent fractions, each number should appear 6 out of the 36 times. And you're going to see if that holds true or not. Probably not, as some numbers are luckier than others. You're going to go to your online dice, which you have the link in your assignment, and you're going to have a tally sheet ready to go. All right, so I have one attached. It doesn't have to be fancy. You can use a piece of scratch paper, and you're just going to make your roll, and then you're going to tally. All right, so you're going to do this 36 times to show your results, and just keep going back and forth. All right, so after you're done and you have your total of 36, what you're going to do is you're going to input your data into a spreadsheet, your attached Google Sheet. So what you're going to do now is recreate your tally sheet here on the middle of the spreadsheet, and you can type your columns. So number rolled, number of times, type out the word number if you want. I'm using the abbreviation. And then last, we're also going to come up with a percent of total rolls. All right, so now I complete the rest. 2, 3. Those are my numbers on my faces. Now I go to my tally chart and I complete and I match the numbers there. I completed this on my own. I have my results on my desk table here, so I'm just typing those in, looking down at those. All right, so that is my results. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to use a formula to calculate the total sum and then the percents here. And this is how you use a formula in a spreadsheet. You're going to hit the equal sign. Now you're going to type in the word sum, S-U-M, and you see how it shows like this orange box around. You're going to hit enter. You're going to do that 2 times, and now it has summed the cells above it. Now to do percent, you're going to hit equal. You're going to click on the cell that you want to use, hit divide by, and you're going to click on the total. All right, so I'm going to hit enter, and I'm going to do it again for each one of these now. So I'm going to type in the cell, that one there, divide by the question mark key, 36, the total number. All right, so equal the number, divide by 36, hit enter, equal sign, divide by, keep going down, number, divide by the total number, equal sign, the number, divide by total number. All right, you see how these have all these decimals here? I want to make this into a percent, so I'm going to highlight those cells. I'm going to go up to the top, and you see the percent sign. So there we go, and I'm going to make the decimal one less showing. So there we go. Based off of my results, the number 6 has the highest total number of rolls, so that was my luckiest number. All right, so one last step here in our experiment. I'm going to make a pie chart. So I'm going to do that by highlighting what I want to graph, which is the number and the number of times. Go up to where it says Insert, Chart. And I want to move this over. Notice how it's a bar graph right now. I want to make this a pie graph. So I'm going to scroll down. There it is right there. And you can see my biggest piece is the number 6 at 22.2%. Lastly, I need a title. What is the luckiest number? Name. I'm just going to make the title a little bit bigger. Hit the drop down arrow, size 18, make it bold. I can do the same thing with my name, a little bit bigger than the other size on there. And there we go. So I have a table, I have a pie chart, and I've proven that in my experiment, the number 6 was the luckiest number. Right, you have all the instructions in the assignment. You can rewatch the video. Any questions, let me know.